Is Philips Smart TV AirPlay compatible? Yes, many Philips Smart TVs are compatible with Apple's AirPlay, particularly those that run on the Android TV operating system. AirPlay allows you to wirelessly stream content from your Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, MacBook, etc., directly to the TV, making it easier to share videos, photos, music, and even mirror your screen. However, AirPlay compatibility depends on the specific model and the operating system the TV is using. AirPlay support on Philips Android TVs. Many Philips Smart TVs that run Android TV include AirPlay compatibility. This means that if you have an Apple device, you can use AirPlay to stream content directly to the TV without needing extra cables or adapters. You can stream movies and TV shows from apps like Apple TV Plus or share content from your phone or tablet to the TV screen for a larger viewing experience. AirPlay on Saphi operating system. Some Philips TVs use the Saphi operating system, which is a simpler proprietary platform. The availability of AirPlay on Saphi models may be limited or unavailable, as Saphi does not always offer the same level of features as Android TV. However, newer Saphi-based models may support AirPlay, allowing users to stream from Apple devices directly to the TV. It's important to check the specifications of the specific model to confirm whether AirPlay is supported. How to use AirPlay on Philips Smart TVs. If your Philips Smart TV supports AirPlay, you can easily connect your Apple device to the TV. Here's how. Ensure that both your Apple device and Philips Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Apple device, open the content you want to share, video, photo, music, etc. Tap the AirPlay icon on the screen or in the video player, then select your Philips TV from the list of available devices. The content will stream to your TV, and in the case of screen mirroring, your entire device screen will be displayed on the TV. Model-specific compatibility. Not all Philips Smart TVs support AirPlay, so it's important to check the specifications before purchasing. Philips TVs with Android TV are more likely to support AirPlay, but older or more budget-focused models might not have this feature. Some newer Philips models with the Saphi operating system may also support AirPlay, but this is not guaranteed across the entire range. In conclusion, many Philips Smart TVs, especially those running on Android TV, support AirPlay, making it easy to wirelessly stream content from your Apple devices. However, the compatibility may vary depending on the model and operating system, so it's best to verify if AirPlay is supported for the specific Philips TV you are considering.